Hi, my name is Akash and I'm from non-coding background. I did my bachelor's in marine engineering from Bookstore. After my graduation, I went on to work with Maersk Line as a junior engineer. I worked on the container vessels sailing for 2 years. After 2 years, I decided that I would change my field and switch to something that I'm more passionate about. I came across AttainU through a friend of mine who was in this field for a long time, and he encouraged me to get into this field and to go through with AttainU because they are a good platform in his idea. And I'm glad that I did because that decision changed my life. Now I'm completely doing something completely different from my original major. AttainU helped me a lot in realizing that idea, in helping me to achieve that skill level required to get a job. And AttainU, the entire course is structured according to the market standards, and it helps a lot during placements. And for my case, I started applying before 1 month was remaining for the rest of the course. And during that time, I spent about 3 weeks and I got a job offer already. And I started working even before the course was finished. So for my case, it was a much better experience and a unique experience where I got a job before even the full course was finished. The only advice that I would like to give future students would be to put in a little more extra effort at the start so that you can get a job quickly at the end of the course and start applying before also, because when you think that you can do stuff, you have the skill required that you can get a job, you should start applying anyways. Should not just completely wait for a renew, because just like me, you can just get a job anyway. So best of luck for anyone who decides to do this. It's a great opportunity. It's a great platform, and AttainU is will be there to help you throughout the process. And best of luck. That's all.